Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mask, and after watching this video you will be able to make it in even less than 1 minute. All you need is a t-shirt or shirt and scissors. Use one fabric that you can see through. Cut under the sleeves. Then you cut one side in the middle. And after that, use 2, 3 or 4 Kleenex or paper towel and place it in the middle. Now you fold it in 3 and now you just tie the mask in the back and that's it. Please share this video to many people as possible. Thank you.